A lot of people are looking for ways to import products from China, but it's not that easy. Before we dive into today's video, if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for you to be the first person to be notified whenever we drop an informative video like this. Thanks. Now let's get started. You need to know the right channels and what products will sell well in your country. The first step is to identify your target market. What type of people do you want to sell these products to? If you want to sell them online, then you should look for products that are popular in the online marketplace, such as Amazon and eBay. The next step is finding out what type of product will be popular in your country or region. If you're looking for a good product idea, then try searching for what are the most popular items on Amazon. Products you import from China depend on what you are looking for. The most popular products imported from China are clothing and gadgets. If you are looking for furniture, then it is best to go to a store and buy it from there. What are the most popular products on Amazon? The most popular products on Amazon are clothing, kitchenware, and electronics. This will be the end of this video. Kindly give a thumb up if you gain from this video. See you in the next video. Bye.